Hi everyone, my name is Isha and welcome to my channel. So, have you ever felt at certain point in your life that there are few aspects of your personality which you may not like? It can be any of your facial feature, your body type, maybe the part of your personality, your you being too much emotional, or you get very angry if you see something wrong and you really want to get rid of it, right? So all these things which you do not like, today I'm going to tell you why all these things are so important for you, so important for your spiritual growth, so important for your manifestations. So, first of all, never think that all these things are not good for you. You have to change them. Of course, if there is something very wrong about you, you have to work upon it. But let me tell you, all these things are rewarded to you. All these, body type, all these facial features, all these personality types are gifted to you so that you can grow spiritually, you can become a better version of yourself. So on this note, I'm going to share a story with you. So the story is of Mahadev and Parvati. So after doing meditation for thousands of years, Parvati became so black that one day jokingly Mahadeva teased her saying Kali. And on hearing this, Parvati became so angry that, how can, anybody say Kali to me? It's not that she was affected by the color, but, Parvati symbolizes the nature, and anybody disrespecting nature or mocking nature in some form, Parvati did not like it, right? So Parvati became so angry, and Mahadeva kept on teasing her by saying Kali, 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 and Parvati was so angry that she left Kailash at that moment of time, and she moved and started meditating to Brahma to get this boon that she wants to become Gori, fair, right? So, after doing meditation for so many years, Brahma appeared in front of Parvati and asked that, what do you want, right? And Brahma also asked that, why are you meditating for me? You have so much power in your own self. You don't need to, pray in front of me. Whatever you want, you can achieve at your own. In fact, you can just order me and you will get it. So Parvati said, no, it is very important that I meditate. Whatever I should get, it should be out of hard work, right? So Brahma said, okay, tell me, what do you want? And at that moment, Parvati said, I want to become fair. I want to become fair because Mahadeva mocked me because of my complexion. So Brahma said, okay, fine. So I am going to give you this boon and you will become fair. And the moment Brahma gave this boon to Parvati, Parvati started shedding all the black cells from her body, and all the black cells were shedding from her body, in that moment. And a new skin started appearing that was as clear as ice, as clear as crystal. And Parvati was so happy on seeing her new look, right? And suddenly, when she had a look at all those black cells which were shedding from her body, a new Devi appeared, which was Mahakali, right? And her name, the name given to her by Brahma was Kaushiki. Okay, so there was another Devi appeared. One was Kali, and Parvati became Gauri. And on becoming fair as ice, Parvati moved back to Kailasha, and she came in front of Mahadeva. Again, Mahadeva started asking about Kali. Where is Kali? Where is Kali? And at that moment, Parvati understood that Mahadeva was not just teasing her for no reason and calling her Kali again and again, but he really wanted to manifest that part of Parvati, which was called Kali, who has the power to, you know, kill all the chaotic things in universe. Because Kali had that kind of power that can kill all the demons. She was, utterly black, have red eyes, and she can kill all the demons. That power was manifested in Mahakali. So at that moment, Parvati understood that whatever happens in this universe doesn't happen just by chance. There is no coincidence in the universe. So whatever is happening to you right now, whatever body features are given to you, whatever your personality type is given to you, maybe your anger, maybe you being too emotional, all your sufferings which you are having because of your personality, everything has a reason. So it is important that at this moment you understand that all the sufferings of your life has a reason, and your job is to accept your personality as it is. If I am too emotional, it doesn't mean that you are a fool. You just don't have any place in the universe. You are blessed with this personality for a reason, and the only thing you have to do is you have to accept it as it is. So that when the moment you accept your personality, it becomes your ladder to reach your higher purpose. All your pains, all your sufferings has a reason, and only that superpower knows that why all these sufferings are given to you, how these sufferings will become a turning point of your life. That is one step of a ladder. When you cross that ladder, when you accept your personality completely, when you accept all the sufferings which are given to you as a source of inspiration, you can achieve anything. Just like Parvati, at that moment she was feeling, oh, my husband is mocking me, I'm not good enough. But her husband was not mocking her, but he was trying to bring out the best from her. Hmm. So, whenever you feel that these problems are putting me down, at that moment you have to tell yourself that these problems are not meant to make me feel inferior, but make them a source of inspiration so that you can achieve greater goods in life, just like Parvati, right? So that is it for today. So if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll come with new video with new stories. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.